Mom. We are going to turn in one of our projects we did a couple of weeks ago and transform it into something else so you can reuse things that you've already have at home to change your decor. We did the candle with the baubles in the middle to anchor it in a wine glass. And then we've done the flowers in the vase, and we've used the conversational hearts. Well, now that it's not Valentine's anymore, what we're going to do is take, this vase already has a bow on it from earlier. I'm going to take the baubles out of this one. And I'm going to be mixing blue and pink baubles. That way there's not... Mix them in. Definitely loud. Let's see here. Okay. Now we've got our baubles in there. As you can see, we've mixed the blue and the pink, so it's not really any layers or difference. And we're just going to put our little roses back in the marbles, which will anchor them in place. And you know, you could always change your flowers. If you didn't like roses, find something different that would, you know, match your decor more. But this is just another way that you can use what you already have, but change it for a different season. This way you have more of a, whoop, those just jumped right out of there. More of a springtime vase versus your Valentine's vase and flowers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.